what is something that you guys do to help you feel in control when things are feeling chaotic?
Work by myself.
Ooh, vision therapy 101.
I cook. I play The Sims and Animal Crossing. Because I'm literally controlling a person's life and playing God, especially The Sims. It's like, oh, you want to go to bed? No, you're gonna learn the piano, motherfucker.
They're like,
Oh, you're tired. You're tired. You're tired.
You little bitch. You're learning fucking piano. Yeah. What else?
I think I cook and I train because I don't know. It helps take off bad energies.
Me, I drive. But then when the gym was all open, I box. When I am really frustrated, I box till my hand hurts. So it's all red, black, and purple. Then what else? I drive in. But now something so subtle, I touch my dog.
Yeah, look at that. So happy.
He was laughing when he looks at you, and he's trying to scare the bum sniffing dog. He's trying to go the other way and give a fierce look.
But the bum sniffing dog is huge.
Yeah.
Shepherd, most likely.
He just passed by like a huge dog. And he was like smiling. He faces his heart and shows his angry face, and then he faces friend again.
Oh my God.
Shows a funny face. Yeah. I think my dog is bipolar.
That's fair.
just
he needs therapy. Yeah, that's why
he also needs therapy.
That's why he's here.
For me, the obvious thing is work. Because it's
also.
Yeah.
Same.
Because it's like
work that I want to do.
Yeah, work that I want to do. Obviously, like editing my own stuff. Just I get lost in the flow. It doesn't tell me anything. It's submissive.
Right. But actually, I think the routinary work helps a lot too, because you don't have to think, you have to do. Yeah. And so you're thinking on doing, and it's easier to
no thoughts.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
The same for me with the work I have, because it's Vision Paradox, and then I have my scanning inventory job that's on my schedule too, and then the streaming app Bigo. This is all on my schedule. So for me, I like working by myself because then I'm the one responsible, and I'm like, okay, I do this, because working at like a real retail job, I would do certain things that my manager would think, well, that's not the right way, but I'm like, but it's more efficient.
Oh,
but it's yeah. That's why we make our own schedule.
God,